Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Mustang and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Mustang is equipped with heated seats and they are not working. This video will apply to 5th generation of Mustangs made from 2010 all the way up to 2014. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Main fuse will be located in a fuse box under the front hood, which is right here. Now to access the fuses you want to press this black tab to lift the cover, and on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here access to all of the fuses and the relays. Heated seats fuse, it's a fuse number 16, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located right here. And this is the main fuse to check. In case that fuse is good, then you have one more fuse to check in a small fuse box in a passenger's cabin, just next to the passenger's right foot, behind this cover. So first you want to pull this cover towards yourself and remove it, and then you will get access to the actual fuse box cover. You can see also there is a small fuse diagram on top of the cover. To remove this cover you will have two black tabs, one here and one on the other side. So you want to press them at the same time and pull towards yourself. And here are all the fuses, and on the back side of the cover you also have a fuse puller. And here you want to check fuse number 43, which is a 10 amp red fuse located here. In case both of these fuses are good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. First you want to test the heated seats switch, make sure it's working. Then you want to check the wiring, electrical connections, and you want to make sure that the heating element in the seat is working as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.